The Kansas Hemp Consortium is a group of cannabis industry businesses collaborating in the Midwest and internationally. Producers and processors, farmers and ranchers, data analysts, and other related businesses working together to provide consulting to those in and those considering commercial cannabis. I'm Sarah Stevens, founder of Tallgrass Hemp and Cannabis and president of the Kansas Hemp Consortium, one of the very first to grow and harvest hemp in Kansas, licensed by the Department of Agriculture in the Industrial Hemp Research Program, both industrial and for oil. As cannabis legislation continues to unfold at state and federal levels, the industry can be uncertain terrain. But data will drive the hemp market in the very near future, just as data drives every market in the 2020 world. Let our data-driven correlations provide fact-based feedback. Reach out to the Kansas Hemp Consortium for research and real-world solutions for your cannabis or cannabis-connected organization.